Hey, what's up everybody? It's AJ with Hippie Fertilizer. I'm back. Today, doing a lawn Hippie Juice Plus. Alright, so trying out something a little different. I'm using some Humates Plus. Alright, got the Hippie Juice set up, but I've been learning quite a bit about soil, as I always do. And you know, part of the name of the game is feeding microbes, right? What's the other part that is important to that? Improving soil structure. So what's important to that? Like, how are we going to get more organic matter and more carbon into the soil? Because organic matter and carbon into the soil is going to improve soil structure. All right? So today, in conjunction with some Humates Plus, I'm going to put down some Nature's Creation 612 plant-based fertilizer. So it's basically an excellent source of carbs for the microbes. All right. Now they do have some nitrogen, have trace minerals. It's like plant food for plants. The plants are getting a little vegan diet today. All right. Not that I personally care. I love a good taco, but that's what we're doing. So anyway, about to bust this out, and I bought a new spreader. Okay, I like to try them out. The MicroLife products, they're a pickle coming out of different spreaders. So I'm on the quest for the best, right? And so far, I have to say, y'all may have seen that video where I have a Brinley spreader. I really do like it, and I'm gonna bring it back to play with it again, because some of these products like MicroLife 624, this product here, this 612 by Nature's Creation, they're like rabbit food pellets. They don't go out of spreaders the same way that like a Scott's product would. So they don't go out the same way as a Humates Plus or a MicroLife Hybrid. You know, a very fine granular product goes out of most spreaders really easy. Now, getting a rabbit food type pellet product, let me show you. Going out of a product, it's quite a bit different. I can see the soil get happy already. So, then we take a look at this. So actually, this Humates Plus, it is kind of finicky with stuff too, because it's so heavy. Let's take a look at it over here. It's such a heavy product. So even in that Brinley spreader, you have to give it like a good bounce for the stuff to start dropping. Because theoretically, all right, I have this other spreader, my little baby one, Spiker. It's a professional little handheld spreader. Love it. See the inside there? It's like a cone. Theoretically, if I could get this in a big version to hold about 50-60 pounds of Humates Plus Hybrid, MicroLife 624 Nature's Creation, that would be great, because the cone-like shape in there, everything's gonna go down in the hopper real nice and smooth. So far, I love the way this Echo works. It's more controllable because it has this handle right here. It also has a side deflector, so I can reduce how much gets on the sidewalks and streets, kind of reducing my cleanup time, reducing the time that I have the blower on, things like that, and makes for a more accurate, clean job. So far, I'm really happy with this Echo. I will say though, I think the Brinley might be a little bit better for those rabbit food pellet type fertilizers, whereas Humates Plus, MicroLife Hybrid, things like that is going to go out of this Echo spreader a lot more accurately and smooth. So some little tidbits on spreaders, because gosh dang, does it make a difference. Anyway, it's a beautiful Saturday. I'd rather do something else, honestly, than just fertilize lawns, so I'm gonna get to doing my job. I hope this information has been helpful though, and just remember, nobody knows grass like a hippie. We'll see you soon. Peace.